Hello, I'm Oz. I'm the Sustainable Orange. This is the house that my wife and I built about a decade ago. We designed it to be as sustainable as possible, and I'd like to share my journey on this channel with you. Now, as you can see, we've got quite a lot of solar panels here. Unfortunately, it's only about 3.7 kilowatts at peak. The panels were installed in about 2010, right at the end of the year, and so we've been generating since then. They've been an absolute fantastic investment, and they've paid for themselves more than 3 times over so far. Now, additionally, we've also got a Tesla Powerwall installed on the house. We've actually got 2 Powerwalls and a Gateway 2, giving us about 27 kilowatt hours of total battery storage. And that's about enough for us to be off-grid for around about 22 to 23 hours under normal usage. But obviously we can stretch that out in the event of power outage, and recently we had a very long grid outage, nearly 3 days, and we actually managed to stretch the Powerwall usage right through to about 40 hours before we lost everything. But then the next day the sun came up, grid still wasn't there, but the Powerwalls kicked back to life like that, and we were then able to ride out the remainder of the time off-grid until the grid was restored. So it's been a fantastic investment as well. Now, this is the charging shed, as I like to call it. We have both the electric cars in here, and it has its own solar PV as well, which also feeds into the home Powerwall. And so the 2 systems together total just under 10 kilowatts peak and allow us to charge the vehicles as well as top the house up whenever we have an excess of sun like we do today. So behind me is a nature pond that we built out of the original roof rafters. It's designed to just be self-sufficient, encourage the local wildlife to come and live there, give the birds somewhere to drink and cool off in the summer, and it pretty much remains untouched all year, apart from a small prune at the beginning of spring.